Beneficent, the Merciful. أَرَأَيْتَ الَّذِي يُكَذِّبُ بِالدِّينِ. Have you considered him who calls the judgment a lie? فَذَلِكَ الَّذِي يَدُعُّ الْيَتِيمَ. That is the one who treats the orphan with harshness. وَلَا يَحُضُّ عَلَى طَعَامِ الْمِسْكِينِ. And does not urge others to feed the poor. فَوَيْلٌ لِلْمُصَلِّينَ. So woe to the praying ones. الَّذِينَ هُمْ عَنْ صَلَاتِهِمْ سَاهُونَ. Who are unmindful of their prayers. الَّذِينَ هُمْ يُرَاءُونَ. Who do good to be seen. وَيَمْنَعُونَ الْمَاعُونَ. And withhold the necessaries of life.